Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to be looking at the hash table data structure. So what is a hash table? Well, a hash table is a data structure that is used to implement an associative arrays. So the key component of a hash table is a key value pair. So these two are pair essentially. So an example of key can be, let's say, my name. The value can be, for instance, my date of birth. This time we're creating a hash table that will allow to store a bunch of name of people as well as the date of birth. So these two are an associative array. The second main component of a hash table is an array where you're going to be storing this data or information. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to make a very simple array, but in reality is way larger. So we have got a key value pair. We have got the array. Now we need a function or hash key to make this whole thing working. So what a function will do, will take this information, we'll do an operation with it, and we'll decide where to put in this array. So let's make it a simple one. So hash key, and we'll put it in any index. So let me give you a better example. So let's say hash my name will be stored, for instance, let's say over here. So index 2. And I'm not going to write my name in it because due to the space, I'm just going to assign, let's say, a shape to it. This box will store my name and the value. Let's give another example. For instance, let's say hash someone, let's say Mike, and will be stored, for instance, in this box. So index 4. Let's assign a shape. So index 4, here we've got Mike and his date of birth. Another person, for instance, will be stored, let's say Lucy at index 3, and will be assigned a star shape to it. And another person that's called Tom, his detail will be stored in array position 0. So let's assign this shape, for instance, like that. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, you can populate the array using the key value pair as well as the function. Okay, now let's imagine this case. So hash, and let's call nice, and let's assign, for instance, this, and you're going to be storing a position 2. But as you can see, position 2, we already have something stored in it, and indeed have Sadman in position 2. So therefore we cannot store things over here because we are dealing with collisions. So there is no space. So what you can do is use chaining method in hash table, and we can just simply say that array position 2 will be linked to a different block. So over here, and then we're going to store hash nice at position 2. And same goes for other places. So let's say in array position 4, we can have we can link, and we can store different blocks like that. And same goes for here. So in any array position, we can create links. Let's say something over here, and there you go. So this is how essentially hash table works. So when you have a collision, what you're telling that, okay, first of all, nice will be stored at index position 2. So therefore, just ignore position 1, position 0, position 0, position 1, as well as position 3, position 4. Just look at position 2, and if you don't find the value in the first block, then just go down. You'll find in this link. So yeah, that's how hash table works. Of course, there are lots of things to go for, but hopefully this will give you a sort of an introduction to hash table, so you can work your own way through. So yeah, I hope it was interesting and helpful. And comment down below if you have any question. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Thank you.